The solution of this question is, what is your first step? First step is what? Given dy by dx. Please give me the answer. देखिए Ibrahim 172. I'll remove from the class. Ibrahim 172. I will not mark the attendance. Plus 1 by x into y is equal to xy square. This is taken as equation number 1. Equation number 1. After this one, which term we have to divide? Can you give me the answer? Give me the answer. Look at the working rule and tell me the answer. Which term we have to divide? Bole, come on.
Y square.
Yes, very good. Dividing with y square on both sides. Dividing with y square on both sides. So once if you divide with y square, we are getting 1 by y square dy by dx plus 1 by y square 1 by x into y is equal to xy square dividing with y square. So what happened once if you divide? How many terms are cancelled? Can you tell me? Tell me what is left of?
1 by y square dy by dx plus 1 by y square into 1 by x into y square cancel right side.
Here also one term is cancelled. Correct? Eh? So if I am continuing
Yes,
this
sir.
one, y to the power of -2, can we write for this term? Y to the power of -2 dy by dx plus what's left here? 1 by y, no? 1 by y
sir.
into x. अब चाहे तो इसको 1 by y square y power -2 नहीं लिख के we can write down as it is also. ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं आप. 1 by y square as it is, dy by dx also as it is, plus students, are you getting the interest? समझ में आ रहा भाई?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. Into x is equal to what's left here? X, right?
X, sir.
After
Yes,
this
sir.
step, this term we have to assume as t. ये आपको याद है ना, वहाँ पे लॉ कॉलेज में जब अपने क्लासेस हो रहे थे तो वहाँ पे मैं ये टॉपिक कराया था. This term we have
Yes,
to
sir.
assume as some another variable like this. If you take this term as t and if you differentiate with respect to this variable x, your answer should be perfectly this one. If you are getting that, it means that you are doing absolutely correct. Let me check it. Let me do it. Let us assume
Okay.
that 1 by y value will be taken as some another variable. Let me take it as t. And if you differentiate with respect to x for these two terms, d by dx of 1 by y is equal to d by dx of t here. Now d by dx of 1 by y, what is the answer? -1 by y square. Am I correct here? And inner function, that is d by dx of y separately, because 1 by y differentiation is -1 by y square. If it is 1 by x, now directly -1 by x square. No need to write the inner function in that case. But now it is y, that is why we have to write the inner function also. D by dx of t will be as it is, which means that if you transfer this minus sign that side, we are getting 1 by y square 1 by y square dy by dx is equal to minus dt by dx. Okay. If I am replacing all these values, what happened to this equation number 2? Can you tell me what happened to this equation number 2? Equation number 2 will be reducing to, tell me what? 1 by y square dy by dx value becomes automatically what? D by dx of t it is becomes. Am I correct? CSC CK students भी है ना क्लास में?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, फिर बाद में क्लास नहीं भी बोल के मत बोलिए. Plus,
Okay, sir.
plus 1 by y will be taken as t, so it is becomes tx. Tx is equal to x. So I don't want minus sign, so we also transfer this minus sign that side. Sorry, here there
Yes,
is
sir.
some mistake. It is also 1 by x. यहाँ पे 1 by x आना चाहिए. Okay, तो यहाँ पे भी it is 1 by x. 1 by x है ना उधर? ठीक है?
Yes, sir. 1 by
So minus if you transfer that side, which implies that if you transfer
by
minus sign that side, d by dx
by
of
d.
t minus will go that side. It is becomes minus 1 by x into t is equal to what happened here? It is becomes negative again. Right now?
minus x.
This is becomes,
Yes, sir.
suppose it is taken as equation number 3. This equation number 3 we can compare with the standard form of linear. Linear differential equation is standard form is what? Dy by dx plus p of y is equal to q. What the difference you notice? क्या आ जा रहा difference देखिए, t की place पे variable क्या आ जा रहा? y आ जा.
Y
Right?
आ जा रहा.
So if t
Yes,
is
sir.
equal to y, then automatically p value is what? What is
minus
p?
1 by x.
Exactly. P value becomes minus 1 by x. And what about q becomes?
Minus x.
Minus x. Now the third step is what? We have to find out its integrating factor. Integrating factor is equal to, colorful दिख रहा ना बोर्ड क्लास के जैसा?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
क्लास में भी
E
कलरफुल
power
दिखता ना बोर्ड?
integral.
हाँ
Yes,
दिख
sir.
रहा था.
हाँ, क्लास में भी ऐसे ही कलरफुल दिखता ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay, integrating factor e for integral p dx. So e for integral p value is minus 1 by x. So I want to pull the minus outside 1 by x dx, which is equal to e to the power of minus, as it is integration 1 by x, as we know it is log x, which can be written as e to the power of log x with this n log x format. So it is becomes log x power minus 1. E and log becomes 1. We are getting x power minus 1, which is also we can say it is nothing but 1 by x. Am I correct?
Yes,
So
sir.
let me write the solution and finish this problem. The solution is, Khaja is there in the class? Khaja?
Yes, sir.
खाजा ये मैं वीडियो ऑन कर रहा हूँ, आप इसकी क्या करिए, स्क्रीनशॉट ले लेके मेरे को सेंड करिए. The solution is, take the screenshot. After this one, we'll continue the class. The solution is, what is
Linear.
that? Yes, okay. Y into integrating factor. Tell me what y into integrating factor is equal to integral q into
Q
integrating factor
integrating factor
of
dx.
dx plus c. Students, I want to tell you that every time, maximum cases, they will again and again repeat the linear differential equation or Bernoulli differential equation in exam. Maximum chances रहते हैं, ठीक है? There is a maximum chances to get this question. Now let us continuing y. What is y? Y will be taken as t here now. T
Yes, sir.
into integrating factor. What we got? 1 by x, right? Is equal to integral q q is minus x now, so let us take minus outside. Minus x into integrating factor is 1 by x into dx. We write c later on, last में लिखेंगे. But what is t? We have assumed t value is 1 by y. So 1 by y into 1 by x together, 1 by x into y minus outside, x and x cancel. Integration 1 dx is x. And finally, we have to add our constant, that is c. Okay. This implies if you want, it's a last step, but it is your choice. If you multiply x on both sides, if I want to give the answer in terms of y, 1 by y is equal to, it becomes minus x square plus cx. Am I correct? If you multiply with with x.
Yes,
This is
sir.
the end of this problem. Hope you understand. हाँ?
Sir,
कहीं भी
yes, sir.
कुछ पूछना है तो अभी पूछ लीजिए. कहीं भी कुछ डाउट है, let me clear it. Okay. Okay. So what we have to do, we have to actually identify the y power n term here. Here y power n term is equal to y square here. Y power n term is equal to y square. So whatever the term is there, we have to divide with that term and make the term free from y. Okay, so we have to divide with y square. So once after dividing with y square, this green mark, whatever I did, this is also most important. Once if you assume this value is equal to some other variable, and after differentiating, you may get this term. If suppose you are not getting, means somewhere you are doing wrong. Then you have to differentiate with respect to this variable. Sometimes it may be x, it sometimes may be y. Reverse form भी रहता है इसका. So then we have to differentiate and convert this problem from linear to Bernoulli form. Because linear differential equation, Bernoulli differential equation, there is a small difference. It is also called non-linear differential equation. So very small difference is there. Okay. So this is also called non-linear differential equation. So after this one, we have to identify p value. We have to identify q value. Okay, na integrating factor also there. So let me do it one more question. Okay, one question is not enough. So let me do it one more question.
सर
Yes,
सर
बोलिए.
बाहर वो अलाउ करना है तो सर दोस्त हम बाहर वेट कर रहे थे
रिक्वेस्ट
मीटिंग
भेजाइए
में.
मेरे को. अभी तो रिक्वेस्ट किसकी भी नहीं आई. अभी जितने स्टूडेंट्स है सबको अलाउ कर रहा हूँ मैं. अलाउ कर रहे हैं, अब क्या कर सकते हैं. अलाउ बोल के रिक्वेस्ट आई तो ही मैं अलाउ करूंगा ना. अभी
ओके सर.
बोल दीजिए लोग को रिक्वेस्ट भेजाओ, बोलिए मैं अलाउ कर.
Okay, sir.
So shall we proceed with one more question, right? देखिए कुछ डाउट है यहाँ पे तो बताइए. करूँ दूसरा क्वेश्चन.
यस सर.
सर एक साथ है तो स्टार्ट करेंगे बराबर.
अभी कितना वेट करते हैं बाबा.
2 मिनट सर. पूरे बच्चे.
हाँ आने दीजिए, मैं स्क्रीन सेट करके रख ले.
ओके सर. ओके.
गो, डोंट डिस्टर्ब यू. So we'll continuing this our class, and we are going to solve another question. Solve x square y dx minus x cube plus y cube of dy is equal to 0. This is the problem. Let me write the solution of this problem. See here. So यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में देख सकते हैं आप, it is not in y power n format also. So let me simplify and get it and done it. First step is given x square y dx. If you bring that side now, I can also write it as x cube plus y cube of dy. You bring that side, okay, and you should get that form, dy by dx form. Basically what we have to do it here is we have to divide dx on both sides, dividing with dx here, even though here also dividing with dx. A dx cancel. X square y is equal to x cube plus y cube. Asrar, how many times you will join the class? You're going, coming? Dy by dx. Yes, any doubt in this? Maximum time we have to try to get the dy by dx format. Okay?
Okay, sir.
This multiple
Yes, sir.
terms comes to the denominator. Okay? So if I am simplifying this one, if multiplying, you see, if this multiple terms comes to the denominator, this will become improper fraction. Linear differential equation का idea है ना आपको? नॉर्मल मेथड से अपन करते, अगर वो इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन आ गया तो फिर अपन उसका रिवर्स फॉर्म लेते. ओके ना?
Yes, sir.
सो बेटर टू पुल दिस x square y, this term we have to take the reciprocal, dx by dy.
dy.
It is the reverse form of Bernoulli differential equation, x cube plus y cube. ठीक है? x square
Yes,
y
sir.
dx by dy is equal to x cube plus y cube. This if you take this side, x square y
X square.
dx by dy, this term will come here, means will become negative. This is minus x cube is equal to y.
Minus y.
X cube term we have taken that side.
Acha, okay, sir.
Okay now?
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Now to remove this y term from here, what we have to do? Dividing with y on both sides. Y on both sides. If you divide with y, what happened here? X square dx by dy. X square dx by dy. If you divide with y, it will be getting like this now. 1 by y into x cube. Am I correct here?
Yes, sir.
Is equal to only y square term is left here. Right? Yes, any doubt? Assume this term as t. This one, this term has to be taken as t.
Yeah.
If you take this term as t, x cube will be taken as t. Just 1 second. Okay, students, this term will be taken as t. x cube is equal to, let us assume that x cube is equal to t, and if you differentiate with respect to y, dy of x cube is equal to dy of t. Asrar is there in the class? Asrar? Asrar is there in the class?
Sir, he's there but not on open mic.
What is your roll number?
My sir,
Yes.
155 sir.
155. You take the
Yes
attendance
sir.
screenshot, how many students are there,
Okay sir.
and send it to me in the group. मेरे को
Okay
भिजा
sir.
दीजिए, पर्सनली मेरे को भिजा दीजिए. और
Okay
खाजा
sir.
आप CSC का ले लो, क्योंकि मैं अभी अगर अटेंडेंस लेने के लिए टाइम करा तो फिर मेरे पास 8 मिनट ही है, मीटिंग खत्म हो जाती. ठीक है ना खाजा?
Yes, sir.
खाजा, yes. So this equation number 1 will be taken here. If we replace all these values in equation number 1, 1 will be reduces to, if you put all these values here, अच्छा इसमें एक और स्टेप कर सकते हैं अपन. We can divide this 3 that side, that is x square dx by dy, x square dx by dy is equal to, if you 3 will go that side, becomes 1 by 3 into d by dy of t. Now 1 implies x square dx by dy की वैल्यू कितनी है भाई? बोलिए. 1 by 3. बोलिए. d by dt of y है ना, करेक्ट है ना, माइनस this 1 by y as it is. X cube we have assumed as t is equal to, what is this side? We have y square only. Now multiply 3 on both sides. Multiply. Even though I will send this recording in your groups so that you can listen the recording once again, so you'll get the
Okay sir.
idea. d by dt
Yes
of
sir.
y, if you multiply with 3, this 3 will come here, minus 3 by y into t is equal to 3y square. Now this equation will be converted to linear form, dx by dy, standard form of reverse standard form of linear I am comparing, plus p of x is equal to q. Here the variable t is working as x. It means that this is the value of p and this is the value of q. Let me mention here, p value is minus 3 by y and our q value is 3y square. If I am putting all these values, what happened to this? Integrating factor we have to go. Integrating factor is equals to e power integral. क्या होता? pdx होता, pdy होता, pdy ना, वेरिएबल y है ना अपने पास.
Yes sir.
Integral p value is minus 3 outside, it is 1 by y dy. This is equals to e to the power of minus 3 as it is. 1 by y is log y, which is also equal to e to the power of log y to the power of minus 3 we can write, and e log is 1, so becomes y to the power of minus 3, which is also written as y by cube, 1 by y cube. Now we should write the solution and finish off this problem. The solution is y into integrating factor, y into integrating factor, बोलिए आप वहाँ, is equals to integral y होता कि x होता? y होता x होता?
X तो था sir.
या शायद थे क्यों पापा, शायद क्यों x ही होता. x into integrating factor रिवर्स फॉर्म कर रहे हैं ना अपन, इज इक्वल टू इंटीग्रल q इंटू इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर ऑफ dx. X, but x is working as t here, so t into integrating factor is 1 by y cube is equals to integral q value. Q value is 3y square, so better to take 3 outside. Y square integrating factor is 1 by y cube into dy. This is t. What is t? T is x cube, so x cube into 1 by y cube becomes x cube by y cube is equal to, this one term will be cancelling out here. Samir, you are disturbing. I will remove from the class. 1 by y is left here. 1 by y dy. X cube by y cube is equal to 3 into 1 by y is log y. And you have to add a necessary constant, that is plus c. Right? This is the end of this problem. Hope you understand. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So 155 का नाम क्या बोले आप?
Muhammad Ijaz, sir.
Muhammad Ejaz, you take the screenshot. Once again, I will open the camera. Take the screenshot of this meeting also.
Okay, sir.
And attendance also. So even though I will send this recording in your groups, you can listen the recording once again. This question can be also solved by homogeneous equation method also, because it is also a homogeneous differential equation, but we solved this one using linear differential equation method. So hope you understand. Haja and Ejaz, take
Yes,
the
sir.
screenshot of this meeting.
Yeah, oh, taken, sir.
तो ये कैमरे में फोटो आए जैसा एक ले लीजिए आप स्क्रीनशॉट, ठीक है?
Okay.
आप लोग मेरे को सेंड कर दीजिए मीटिंग. And let me finish because 1 minute is left. Thank you everyone. Right?
Thank you, sir.